Just wait. Oh my god, why do we have damage?
Dude, I want to go see 21 Pilots. They're gonna be back on tour.
Is he running up here? I'm gonna be real mad if he is.
They're gonna be on October 26th. They're gonna be in LA.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I want those tickets. I went to their last. I went to their concert in at the Golden One Center last year.
I actually like them.
I know, I love them. I grew up listening to.
Yeah.
Dude, I got oh, what is it? Yeah, I have a. Let me find out what that is. I have the Blurry Face vinyl.
That song's like hell.
I love, dude.
Damn what you think. Oh my lord, he's chasing me.
What'd you say?
I gotta find out
You ran right past the pallet. Oh shit,
Yes,
what the hell is she
they're selling tickets for the 26th. Oh my god. How much are pit tickets? Really? 335 for two of them? It's not bad. Why are pit tickets less than seat tickets? Oh my god.
Let me know if she's about to have you on hook.
That's an amazing
I have
song.
you on hook right now.
it is the best.
I like the Attic with a Pen. That one's really good.
He ran this way, the way I'm facing. He might be about.
Let me scroll through my playlist because I have a
Oh, she's getting more. That's insane.
That's good for us, right? No way, that hit me! He's coming after me. He's actually chasing me.
You know what? When in doubt and you don't know what to play Elden Ring Night Ring.
Blocking pallet. Oh, you didn't tell me when you was gonna get hit. Hooks.
Doesn't matter, the random one is still on Jen.
He's on me, he's on me. Sam's gonna come save you. Oh, I love it.
It's gonna be 50 of the same dudes playing Springtrap.
No, it's the doctor. Actually, doctor's map.
No, dude, it's animatronic.
Yeah, doctor's map.
Oh my god, animatronic on the doctor's map.
That's
This
my
It's
shit
not
map.
is
nearly
so
as bad as
but it goes
Michael
hand in hand.
Myers.
Oh, hey, a chest.
With the
Holy
mirror.
shit, fucking
Flashlight,
Jane is
flashlight,
so
flashlight,
small.
Flashlight, 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 flashlight. Fucking make it.
Where's the Jen at, bro?
Oh, it's right there. Oh my god.
Oh, I run. I run. He must quite literally did me.
Well, I'm doing Jen, I guess.
Let's go to a corner. Never mind, he's on me. He's on me. He's on me. He's on me.
Oh, can you heal me?
So we have
I need I'll
Can
take
you
it.
stop moving?
Oh.
Oh my god. I'm gonna rape you.
No!
Fuck. Oh,
I can't
fuck.
tell if he lost
Oh,
me.
I just juked him. I just juked him.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure.
Angel, stop groaning and groaning.
Running on
When I
now.
catch
Get juked, bitch.
Ricky, when I catch
Get
you,
juked,
Ricky,
bitch.
So Angel, why are we not gonna come to mid?
Angel, Angel, Angel. I'm legit right behind you.
I know,
Move,
I
move,
know.
move.
Watch the shit, watch the shit.
Dude, I am embarrassing him, bro. Ain't no way. I'm just embarrassing. Oh, fuck.
That doesn't look like you're embarrassing.
What the fuck are you doing?
Angel, what are you doing?
He's not embarrassing him.
I was looking at his Spring Tribe's fat ass. That's what I was
Oh,
doing.
Jesus. And it
Bro,
wasn't even
there's no way I
bliss
juked
trap.
him that much time, bro. That's crazy.
Oh my
Like,
god.
Eric, you should have known better. You were the chosen one.
No, I wasn't. It's okay, I
That makes
have
you go ding 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 ding.
I have
ding,
balanced
ding.
landing if he even
Okay,
comes
let's
to
go.
me.
Come on,
Plus he
come on.
blocks
Yeah, yeah,
up
he's
the
all the way over there. He's all the way. He's in mid.
He's
He's
in
in
mid.
mid. He's in mid. He's in mid.
Alright, he left.
There's a
mid.
gen all the way over to this
God
corner.
damn. Okay, let me. Stop running.
Dude, there's a gen all the way over here, bro.
I'm hopping back on the generator.
Eric. Blow up this fucking
That's
general.
gonna fucking blow that jet.
Dude,
What?
awesome, man.
What?
She's really fucking small, bro. She might be meta.
Jane? Bro, she's
Yeah,
just.
Jane. Yeah, she's really small.
She's small, but she's wide.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It's like a mini P.E.K.K.A.
Bro, Spring Trap chasing me down the hallway is actually kind of terrifying.
The
Well,
clown
don't.
P.E.K.K.A.
Well, don't go to this fucking
Oh
hallway.
shit.
Ooh,
Oh,
that's
I have to-
actually-
I have to like, bro.
It would suck if I just touch.
Don't go towards us.
Rotations.
Oh. Oh,
Rotations.
okay,
That's
Alright,
personal,
I'm
jackass.
good.
That's cool.
Are you guys ready for the infinite doom 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 doom?
Doom, 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 Zahoo.
Here it is. Oh, I told you it was gonna happen! I told you! I told you!
Guys, come on, again.
I got rid of Dead Hard. I can't Dead Hard no more. If only I had Dead Hard, I would've got a win.
Support moment.
5x is gonna teleport to the door.
He's running to y'all. He's running to y'all.
Yep, affirmative.
Jackass.
Affirmative. Okay. He's running to the people
I
on the
saw him off the
generator.
What is that lunge?
I told you that boy Spring Trap has a lunge on him. I was just running in circles. Oh hey.
I'm cover from this.
Did he try to pick up his axe off the ground? Did he not know I left?
Yo, he's locked, bro. He's locked. What are you talking
Did he not know
He
I
accidentally
left?
went through the door, bro. He accidentally went through the door.
Somebody has to start recording this stuff.
thought
I'm
it
like,
He accidentally went through the door again. He went through the door again. No, he got me.
That's good enough to be commented.
And none of you were doing gens until now. And
Yo, I was healing.
ain't
I
no
was-
way he fucking stabbed me for that shit, bro.
oh, I'm a dumbass.
Okay, now he's actually going through the door.
He went through the door. He
He's still,
went through the door. I'm free. I'm
hold on,
free.
he's still in the door.
Okay.
Stand still!
Meow.
What you fuck?
Guys, he's right behind me.
Free the people and free
Oh, sure about
the
that.
soul. I want
Yep. Very sure. Very sure.
away.
Oh my god, this hallway is beautiful.
Now, where the fuck is this guy?
Doing something.
Why don't you ask where he is? Alright, is it back to
This is
where
an
he
infinite dog. This is an infinite dog.
I'm trying to look for one of the Five Nights at Freddy's
I have
cameras.
to teleport to the door that's in front of me.
Got it. Hold up. Hold up.
Buddy.
Unless you quite literally just
Buddy.
wanna walk over.
Buddy, this is infinite, buddy.
Check your door and bathroom.
Fuck.
Oh, there, right behind me. I didn't even notice.
I'm not behind you.
Okay, I'm on you.
The boss just fucking targeted me. That's actually crazy.
Actually, if he teleports here, hop off that gen so I can block it.
Got it.
Alright, that's okay. Keep going to that gen. Do not fail those skill checks.
Yeah, there's just like
Fail all the skill checks is what I heard.
come with me, come with me, come with me, come with me.
If he heals
Oh
someone,
my
he can
God, I
see me in
failed.
the dark. He does not safe hiding. You guys aren't safe hiding, so he can see you guys.
There we go. Took 2 tries to beat that fucking boss. God, that was such a boring fucking
You should have
fight.
dropped the pallet!
What are you doing?
Doesn't feel safe, I guess.
You missed!
Yeah, just stay there.
Hello, Jane.
Minam makan! Minam makan!
American boy.
I'll heal you.
A's in main. Chase, chase behind. Behind us.
Yeah, he's chasing me, cuz.
You saw the Jane get popped?
You're telling me these are fast fall? A swing and a miss! Hey, don't pull out. Don't pull it out, bro. Ain't no reason to pull out.
There's a gen over here. Oh, hey, bro. Watch that door.
He quit. He quit. He quit chasing me.
Okay,
man.
two of us do not need to be on this gen, man. Let me heal you, let me heal you.
I'm down for you to touch me. I know my daily dose of touching.
Oh shit. Going for you, Eric. He's going straight for you.
Why me?
Don't come towards me.
Why is he coming for me, though? Hold
Because
up.
he saw you and he
I might
didn't
be on
see me.
something. I might be on something.
Eric's running straight to every. Eric's running to everybody. Cole's after you. Oh no, he's out there, Eric, now.
He's after me!
Oh.
What am I supposed? There's a pallet on me. There's a pallet on me.
No one's near
No
you.
one-
No one's near you.
Eric,
No
why are we
one's near
sitting upstairs? Why sitting? Great, now I gotta go in basement because Eric didn't fucking listen.
Oh, shit.
you. Eric, stop moving.
I'll pick it up.
Eric, where are we going? Eric, I'm not healing you.
Okay.
You take too damn long. I'm not.
Hold on. I have a plan.
Eric, you're one tap.
He's still near me.
Basement.
Oh,
He's on top. He's on top. He dropped down. You need to buy it.
I went to a door.
Oh, I see.
Go in the last gen. Just go get him. Go get Cole.
I will. I'm coming.
Oh,
Okay.
sweet.
I'm going right
Oh,
now.
I'm gonna have to fight this
I
guy.
got Cole. I got Cole.
Okay, cool. Okay.
Guys, I gotta fight the Equilibrious beast next.
I'm gonna work on a generator that's literally right next to the exit. Never mind.
This one's about to be done. This one's about to be done. Just go. Yeah. Come there. Come. It's about to be 99. Oh, I forgot about this.
Heal me.
I can't. Oh, I'm locked though. I'm locked though.
I'm dead.
Why does he
want my butt so bad? He's trying to base me. Why are you undetectable when you go through doors and still undetectable when you walk around? I have no terrorists and no art pieces that know where you are.
For visibility. Might be a little overpowered, but it's still ability.
It's not even a little overpowered. That's full overpowered, man. You can't do it no more, dude. Look,
Kiss me through the phone. Wait
Kiss me through the
on.
spine.
Alright, class, alright, class.
When you
Dude, Lith is so good.
Alien Afton's victims and Henry's creations as mentioned in his
Brand.
How does that work with secret agreement revealing that
Angel.
Well,
I'm opening the gate. Thought the killer was at.
Really? What's the idea?
Hitting, I don't understand these lunges.
I'm with Cole.
He has the craziest lunges though.
Yeah, I'm at those.
Oh, you
He
couldn't.
didn't honor pallet? Yo, wait.
He's taking you to the basement.
You said
Oh,
you
no.
were right to say.
He could have hooked me right there, but he took me downstairs.
Alright, he's going through the door. He's going. Oh, no, actually.
You went right past me.
Generally,
Yeah, his door's gonna be open.
I got you. Don't worry.
Get Cole and come on.
Are you not
Let's
even
go.
knocking the door? Never mind, no, you're
What's
not.
open?
Go, go.
You walked right past me, bro. He walked right past me.
I don't even care that he didn't heal me. I don't fucking care. I'm not trying to get axe stone and he fucking can't escape.
Snipes you with fucking.
Nigga, down the hall. Just freaking he launches the axe.
Yeah, dude.
Guys,
Watch
I
this
have a
straight past
blue.
me.
I have a
Haywire.
broken.
Hell wants
He had
haywire.
nurses calling, merciless storm, haywire, and help wanted.
What the
He
fuck
also
are with
brought
these?
murky regnant.
What
These
the
people
fuck are
want
with
to
these
win.
perks, bro?
These people want to
Just
win, bro.
landing.
This is actually insane. They want to
Hey
win.
guys, how about let's just against Lich before?
I've
fuck is
never faced him.
Oh.
Wait, we got
Lich?
a counter spell? Gotta
Lich
cast
plus
counter
some
spells?
screaming?
Ain't no way
Yeah,
we gotta
it's
cast
not
counter
me.
spells on his.
Oh, actually?
Not this
hold
map.
on.
Oh, fuck this shit,
This
bro.
Dude, he's literally the same color as the background of this map.
Ooh. I'm exhausted. Don't mind.
He's already on me, bro. He's already on me. He's already on me. This guy's already on me, bro. Are you...
Worn out tools.
Oh, I'm lagging. Oh my lord, I'm lagging.
So do pellets regenerate?
No.
They don't regenerate? Okay. I thought they regen. Dude, why was he, why did the killer spawn right next to me?
And I have some seconds.
I think I gained an item, but I blocked that item.
Oh, I got a great
What
skill
scope
check
is he
on
getting
no
now?
internet.
Guys, by the,
What killer is it?
guys, by the way, he has iron
It's
grasp.
the witch. He has iron grasp.
I'm pretty sure he has iron grasp, yes.
Guess.
What's the flip?
Oh, I'm exposed.
Motherfucker,
near the barn,
bro. I
he's near the
hate
barn.
this map. Oh, your ass. Oh, your ass. Oh, your ass. Oh, your ass. Oh. Buddy.
Nice, what about you get
Buddy.
done?
Buddy. Where you going, buddy? Come get me, buddy. He stopped chasing me.
Yeah, he's going to gents.
Never mind. He's chasing me. Where you going, buddy? Eric, bro, get the fuck out of here. I know you see
Okay,
me, boy.
2 gens done in short sequence.
Come get me, boy. Come get me.
me. He's testing me now. What the flip? What are you doing? Why are you flying? What is this killer? He just flew to me.
18, give me something good. I don't even know what I got.
I'm
but
getting.
it's
No,
definitely-
he does not have iron grasp. He does not have iron grasp. I was wiggling now. He ran into the wall.
He's fine. He's going across.
He's going towards, bro. He's going towards. What the fuck is this shit, bro? What the fuck is this shit?
Angel save him.
Right.
Ooh, 19!
Why are you not saved?
Boots of Archivist.
I'm a
Let's
blitz.
see him. He's in the pig.
I just screamed.
He's in the pig. He's in the
Did you guys
pig.
hear me scream?
He's in the main building. He's in the main building. No, I didn't hear you.
No.
Why is he so fast? Dude, why is he faster than the average killer?
It's just fucking weird. I hate
He's probably.
that.
Dude, this guy's
He's
fucking busted!
He worked
Yeah.
on his fucking cardio, geez.
This bitch is floating.
I
He
did
did
fucking
his
die.
cardio, that's
He
why
was
he's so
quite.
fast.
He was quite literally
He's
just
floaty.
freaking
There's
flying
no
at me.
cardio. He's floaty.
He trained his jumping skills and he's just really good at
What do you mean jumping
in the
skills?
air.
He's like
Yo,
he's like
the
10 minutes in
motherfucker
the air.
levitates.
No,
Dude,
no,
he's
no.
airwalking, alright? Jeez,
Wait,
cut him
Angel,
some
you
slack.
with,
Guys, run, guys, run, guys, run!
Same gen?
Yeah. Yo, he just doesn't care about me. He's going straight for Eric. Eric, he
What
sees
about
you.
me?
Don't try to hide. He sees you.
You haven't been hooked yet. That's what happened. No,
Run! Come here. I'm exposed.
Hex, Devour.
Devour! Oh,
Someone
guys,
needs to get that Hex.
guys, we need to find
Someone
Devour.
needs to find the
Guys,
Hex.
we need to find Devour. Guys, we need to find Devour.
He
I found it.
literally-
I just found it. It's in front of. It's not in front. It's right next to the. Yeah, it's right next to the gym.
Treat me good!
Where is it?
I'm getting chased. Please find that Devour hole. Please find that Devour
I just
hole.
blew it up. I blew it up.
Don't worry, Eric, I'm going for you.
This guy's a bit stupid.
Bro,
Two jets left, two jets left, come on.
He was flying at me, bro.
He picked up the pallet? He just picked up the pallet?
Yeah, you can do that.
He worked on his strength.
No, he
bro.
picked it up
He's
right when I
hitting the
dropped it.
Yeah, you can do that.
I got a 17. What does that
He's-
do?
So we have speed boost. So we got Minecraft speed.
Yeah.
He's got swiftness. Jeez.
Oh, you have low sensitivity! Turn your sensitivity up, little bro.
Yeah.
Eric, no, Angel, why the fuck are just doing gen right there?
Because then he has to come kick it, and if he don't, he's a bitch.
He has Hex Fortune full too.
He's going straight for me, Why is he going straight for me?
He's going straight for you. I'm gonna go get core then.
Okay, guys, I'm dead. Okay, so
What's he doing?
that's
Oh,
fucking
see?
crazy.
Touch me.
Eric, what have you been
God.
doing this entire time?
I've been working on gens.
Where are you going?
I'm dead,
Gen.
guys.
Speed boost.
He knows where you guys are.
I just screamed.
Yeah, I'm not sure how.
He's just pinging me! He's red pinging!
You just lion scared you. That's crazy.
Angel, he
Yo,
found
why
us,
are we
Angel.
going, guys?
Angel, he found us, Angel.
Why are we doing
Angel,
this?
he
Why are we
found
doing
us.
this?
He droning you guys
Hey,
out.
what am I supposed to do against
Damn.
that?
He ran pinged him.
Yo,
And
honestly,
he has a speed boost! You're telling me this guy isn't broken?
no, he's broken.
You're telling me he isn't?
He's broken.
He's not broken?
No, he's fucking broken. No, he's broken. This bitch.
The Stone Spear going straight for you, dog. Why is this motherfucker so fast, bro? Why is he so fast?
Yo, what is that?
Why is he so fucking fast, bro?
I'm hella quiet right now. California Hot Springs? Why are you guys calling me? Hello?
They
You're
want
so
you.
gay.
Hold on, this might
You're
be
so
important.
gay. Why is that even an ability?
Hello?
Why can you just stop pallet dropping?
Eric, look for Hatch.
Like, you're telling me he
Huh?
can red beam, he can shoot skeletons,
I'm not
he
one.
can block off pallets,
He can fly!
he can fly
fly.
for speed boost.
It goes over vaults too. It goes over and pallets. How he flies. At least let me draw my pallets.
I got
Jesus.
a 20!
Eric, what are we doing? Eric, what the fuck are we doing?
Well, I need hats
Find
now.
Hatch.
I need to find hats
Eric.
now.
I've
Eric,
been on
what are we
hook
doing?
this whole fucking time, and you didn't even move off your fucking gen.
Eric, why are we opening chests?
I got a 20,
Both of
gang!
us are hooked. I'm got chased. We've been in the corner of the map the entire game. Now we're about to die.
Hey, Mom.
Eric, you better be fucking goated.
Stay away from me, Draconic Tree Sentinel, please.
Fuck did my sound go?
I don't know what I just did, but I'm oblivious.
Oh. Stop trying to right ping me.
Another chest.
Leave.
No, Draconic Seed. No, Draconic Seed.
Bro, Eric's just grabbing chests, bro.
What is this, dude? Eric, why are we grabbing chest, dog? Eric, where are we going to the? Oh, yeah.
Why are we doing that gen right there, bro? Eric, what the fuck?
Let Eric do his job.
I'm doing gens, bro. I'm doing gens. He doesn't know where I'm at. He knows where I'm at.
How does he know exactly where you are? Like,
Thank you.
am I tripping?
I think he has.
There's not the difference to turn it up, bro.
One thing
Oh,
I
I'm trying to
The
juke
other
him.
one I have already. Yeah, it's behind those guys.
My sensitivity is high. Why can't yours be? Like, bro, what the fuck? Turn up your sensitivity.
Oh my god, bro. I just got 2 levels absorbed. Oh, better not make it a third. Oh, thank god.
Swear Jason. Swear Jason.
Texas, how soon better off them.
Jason doesn't
So
have
we're not locked.
He did have
Doesn't
arbitration.
have
I told
password.
the pursuer,
He doesn't have a password. He's playing.
export your fool and devour him. You're kidding. Boot to speed. Casting maintain guarantees 30% haste for 2 seconds.
Barbecue and chili?
Power reduces the cooldown. Reduces the remaining cooldown of your spells by 2 seconds each time you let a basic attack.
Dude, he just knows where the fuck we are.
Dude, he's red pinging me, that's why. Because he's an illegal alien.
Who are we going up against?
Animatronic.
Father Campbell's Chapel!
Father Campbell's Chapel.
And we're playing against the animal.
Oh my god, why, no, run the other way, What are you doing?
He's not coming. He's not coming. He's not coming this way.
Oh, why I keep running into the killer, bro?
Sound that was.
Release me!
I thought you were one of the ones I heard.
Why are you on me? Why do you just know where I'm at? Brother.
Maybe don't run in the direction that's where he's at.
I ran into a wall.
Did he just one-shot you?
No, he didn't.
God, bro. Friends till the end scared the shit out of me, bro. He has friends till the end, Angel. I'm not gonna deal with this shit.
Okay, I've been chewing on this gun for like 4 fucking hours. I need to take it out my jaws.
I'm gonna fucking die the moment I head out this bitch.
Yeah, finally.
Oh, okay, I didn't.
Why didn't you look at him?
Back
What?
in trance. Thank you, Mr. Tyler the Creator, for
He's up top main
reprinting
building.
novels.
Up top main building. Up top main.
No, he's not.
Oh, he went into a door.
Oh shit!
He's on us. He's on us. He's on
went
us.
into a door and I just went into a door.
Oh my god, he's right there. Never mind.
Yeah, you just
He's not going. He's going towards you guys. He's not. He went door. He went door. He went door.
Is that a giant fucking spider?
He's on me!
You.
Yeah, you're correct, bro.
I don't. He's oblivious. I can't even fucking find him.
Okay, I'm not friends till the end.
Let me do my gen up top. Guys, he's going through a door. Guys, he's going through a door. I just heard the beep beep.
Ooh!
No, the beacon means like the door is low battery. You know when he's going through the door when the door glitches.
Cool, you saw that too, right?
Door's leaking, bro. Run for dear life.
Oh fuck! Of course.
No, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Of course, bro. Of course. Of fucking course, bro. Of course.
Axel just keep on running into it.
Why'd you bring him here?
I'm going to carnival because I'm not sure down that carnival.
I'm a swerve on the carnival.
control on top because after we get in this bitch, I let this shit go.
Hold on, Angel, we gotta pet the horse first. Pet
Swing your
horse
horse
first.
sides.
Good boy.
Wait,
Good
I forgot
boy.
Wait, I want to go pet the horse. Where you guys at? I want to pet the horse.
Yeah, go do it, Jane.
I want to pet the horse.
This is our horse.
No, I pet the horse now.
Ready, skill check?
Did you really just hop off your gen just to come pet the horse?
No.
Get your fuck ass back on gen, bro.
Hey, baby. Here.
Phantom Sphere on top of... You don't care.
He's going straight for me, bro. He's going straight for me, bro.
Yeah, actually, you got that.
He in fact did come straight for Axel.
I'm fucked. I'm gonna
This
die.
guy hasn't recalled his axe yet. His axe is still here.
This is not gonna be good.
There's a generator right behind the horse.
I'm exposed.
He's going straight for you guys. Run.
Ooh, run.
Angel, take a hit!
Fuck you mean take a hit, bitch, run.
I'm exposed, the dog!
I
I'm
finished
exposed
it.
She's after
again!
me.
I finished the generator.
He has
How
friends
about
coming
take a
in!
hit?
Angel, couldn't you have gotten me?
No, he's on me, dog.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
could've just
go
taken
save
the
him.
hit, bro.
Oh, he's going back for gen.
Why are you? No, I finished it. I finished it.
No, you didn't.
You ran right
He's
past.
going back to
Son of a
the hit.
bitch, bro. Oh my lord. You want fuck this shit, bro?
Did you just throw his shit out of the door?
Did you go through a door? Yo,
Axel.
Axel,
No,
we're
that was so
not
close.
fucking locked.
He was so close, he says.
Yeah, I'm fucking dead now.
Whoa,
God damn,
why is he
bro.
not there? Why is he not there?
I'm so fucking tired of this shit, dog. Why did I open Ubisoft Connect?
Ubisoft
God
Connect.
damn it.
Ubisoft Connect been opening on me too.
Fully hit me, fully hit me. Get off me! Look at a flashlight, save him. Oh, it's too late now.
You got double 10,000 runes. What the fuck? And, okay,
Damn,
that was
stare
weird.
at me, why don't you? You got a staring problem, little boy? Time to run.
Outpost ratio.
You're
You're mad at me.
tunneling? Oh, he's not tunneling.
Why did they not just? That generator was high. He just tried to snipe me.
Oh my god. You could have told me you were little me! Oh my god! Eric!
I didn't know he was there.
Eric!
I didn't know
Eric!
he was there.
Why?
I didn't know
Oh,
he was
fuck you,
there.
Fuck you, Eric. Fuck you, Eric.
I didn't know he was there.
Like, look, you're being way too fast. Like,
I was just running because he was chasing me.
it's why nobody else is stressed about.
What's he doing?
I thought there was.
Kick
He
him,
break.
man.
He broke chase with you just to break.
He said to me, he said to me, he said to me, he said to me, he said to me. Methamphetamine.
Well, Eric, can you go get him?
Yeah, I'm going right now.
Camping in 2025.
He's
Let me
camping?
see it. Fuck out of here. I'm done with this shit. I swear if I teleport to the wrong door, I think I teleported right to that door next to you, Angel. I did. Son of a daily problem on the camera.
There's nothing I can do. That lag spike is crazy.
Fucking. Oh my god, I can't hear you while you're screaming.
4 times! 5, 6! He's chasing me!
It's
I'm
just
taking him all the way
I can't get
across
fucking
map,
team. Yeah, that's why I'm healing.
He broke chase with him. He broke chase with him.
He's coming back to these gens because he's protecting these gens, guys. We gotta go across the map if we want to do something.
I might kill us.
And next time try 3 lives, Lucas. Got the horses before I left.
Go door. W. Cole, where you at?
What's probably behind him?
Still like Killer Shack. Yo, so we're screaming in 2025. So we're screaming. We're still screaming.
Who's that basement?
We've been screaming. I don't know what you guys are talking about.
That generator probably has no progress on it now.
Left. He's headed towards you guys.
Yeah, no progress on it, guys.
W mind game. W mind game. Completely go away from pallet. W mind game. W mind game.
W scream. He's headed in a door. He headed into a door. He's going to Killer Shack.
I think I just saw him go outside a door. I think I just saw him go outside a door.
Don't hear me in main.
Coming.
He's coming after me! He's running at me!
Oh shit.
Did you almost just run past me?
He has no
Yeah.
tear radius.
Where's that gen at, Eric?
He's kicking Jen. It's near the tree. Over at the
Where's
circus.
the gen at?
Over at circus near the tree, next to a door, next to a door. That's the best information I can give to.
It's the same gen. He's streaming.
Sorry! I went to I ran to a tree! I went to a tree!
So now on.
Dude, he's
dead.
so locked.
I'm dead. Oh my lord!
Why am I in session again?
I just realized my teammate's name is what does he do?
Yeah, he's stuck in
Yeah, he's around me again.
Alright, Eric. Come away, I'm gonna report to you. Let me know if he gets off.
Relax. Womp womp little buddy. Womp womp little buddy. Womp womp little buddy. Womp womp little buddy. Yeah, buddy, you can't hit that from that far. You can't hit that from that far, buddy.
Is he off of you?
Yeah. Well, it's because I'm good at it.
Bye, buddy.
He's a little angry. He's a little angry.
W! That's a banger! That's a banger! The bangers keep screaming more!
Telekinesis to throw the pallet is crazy.
Sometimes you just gotta be
my
throwing
head hurts.
pallets.
My head hurts from screaming. So we're screaming, Angel. Angel, so we're screaming.
Hey man, how you doing, man? Dumbass. Dumbass.
Oh my lord.
I missed. thread a needle, buddy? You gonna thread him a needle, buddy? That was it.
What was that? Why would you go through the pallet?
Lift.
I swear, it's please. Of course it does. Of course it does. Wait, no! It didn't activate my bird. Like it didn't activate. Angel find hatch. You don't find hatch again.
I gotta find that. Why am I screaming? Oh. I was like, why am I screaming? Oh, it's because I'm obsession.
Yeah. You don't like it when you get exposed because of friends till the end, huh?
I'm not
very fun,
exposed.
huh?
Imagine yourself 10 years pushing it
Find hatch. Why? Oh. So we let him find hatch.
Buddy, I can't fucking go across the map in under 2 nanoseconds.
Well, you should.
things you know because don't sweat the details too much. The first thing you can try is drawing an average. Just put your best out. While you're doing that, pay attention.
Hi, buddy. How we doing? Hey.
I didn't know haste worked from down.
Buddy, you wanna kill me or no? Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't.
Alright, let's see what bagging perks this guy had. Phantom Fear, Unrelenting, Friends till the End, and...
Oh, wanted that and
Why does he have furtive chase? Friends to the end literally gives other people obsession. Guys, we just didn't play that good.
Alright, I'm gonna get...
I think it was the map. I think it was the map, that one.
It was a bad start. Alright, I guess we're done. Oh, shit.
Shouldn't be difficult.
Yeah,